Can I give a Qurbani for the deceased parents?
Qurbani for the deceased, to make an intention for the deceased Qurbani, it is not supposed to be done except if the deceased had made from his will, I want such money to be designated for me to be slaughtered as an udhiyah. Then you slaughter it because you want to fulfill his udhiyah. We don't encourage people to do that. But if this person had made in his will that this money has to be designated, we have to fulfill his wasiyah if it's within the permissible third. Now, if he did not make a will, you as a son or a person who is his father or his mother died, this is from you without having to specify and designate an intention for them. Your udhiyah is, you inshallah hope they are included as well, because you are a product from them. Allah's messenger, he said, "Inna atyaba ma akala rajulu min kasbih wa inna waladahu min kasbih." And so the best of earnings is that you could, best of halal thing is from your earnings, and your child is from your earnings. So you have made that son. So that son of yours, when he slaughters, whatever he does from that, you'll be included. But to do as designated independent intention for udhiyah on them, that's not the case, and it's not being done by the companions now.